Voila, it's done. And it's hot. Now it's time to get some ice cream out and serve it up. Bon appetit. Yum, yum. Blueberry dunk cake. First, you need a can of blueberry. And a smart aleck teenager on the side.
Give it a couple nice little pats.
Oh, goodness. Why?
Really, Keegan?
Ew!
No, this is my life. Alright, we're going to spread it all out. Then we're going to put just a few fresh blueberries in there. Alright, so we put the fresh blueberries on there. Now, Jenna, do you know what you need next? Can you stop eating the blueberries for a moment, please?
No.
Don't forget the smart aleck teenager, y'all. No, you do not need eggs for this recipe. So you're going to open your cake.
We're using yellow cake.
Yes, we're using a yellow cake mix. He moved because he's afraid you're going to get it all over it.
Would you open that for me?
Just dump it all over it.
I'm trying to get it everywhere.
Get it in the corners. Get it
Why are
in
you
the corners.
trying?
I can see how softball's going to go with y'all.
Hey, she just listens.
Yeah, I know, son.
Get it. And get up here and get right here.
Okay, now just pour the rest in.
And then just fix it where it's even.
You're fine.
Okay, I want to do it.
You're slow, child. You're slow.
I guess we need to start having cooking 101 with Keegan.
You! Really?
Now you're going to sprinkle brown sugar on it. Just kind of take it and sprinkle it all around.
Okay. Just all of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay if it overlaps?
Yeah. It didn't say how much, it just said sprinkle some on it.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be a whole bunch. It's going to be okay, I promise.
It itches.
It itches?
Yeah.
OMK.
Okay.
I'll let you go wash your hand. Now what are you doing?
Cutting up butter.
To do what?
Put it in the thing.
Put it on top of it.
Yeah.
So you need little
Pieces.
pieces. You need a lot of butter to cover the top. Little. It's all good. Just cut it. And then we'll put it on top. Yeah, I am.
Okay. Daddy stayed up all night?
No. He just stayed up later than normal. And he had to get up and go to work. Quit licking your lips. They're going to be dry. You're probably... Your lips are kind of got this pretty color on it because of the blueberries.
Really?
Now you put, sorry for the sound in the back. She's washing some of her dishes. But you put it in the oven on 375 for 55 minutes. What?
Nothing. Did you poison it?
No! Jenna's the one that made it. Did you poison it? Okay. No, she didn't.
I don't know.
You like it?
It tastes good no matter what.
Do you like it? Would you recommend it? Okay, y'all try it. I like it
tastes
too.
like a dessert that we would get at lunch.
Oh, okay. I don't think so,
we
but
made this.
Is
We
this like
made this before.
it tastes like a cobbler.
a cinnamon blueberry cobbler?
No cinnamon in
No
it.
cinnamon in it?
Tastes good though.